Yo, I'm the Naga Spitfire. Late 90s, I'm a live wire. Grew up with the real, no faking Western way, but I ain't shaking. Ballin' hard in my own lane, flexing culture, no shame. Ladies loving my raw style, thug life laughing, going wild. Gen Z Naga, we don't play. Riding hard, we slay all day. K-pop craving, but I'm real. Got that Naga vibe, it's the deal. Late nights with the homies, nothing but the real OGs coming up, we breaking rules. Ain't no way we play the fool, sipping on that chai tea, mixing with that Henny G, taking shots, we don't care, keep it lit, we breathe rare air. Gen Z Naga, we don't play. Riding hard, we slay all day. K-pop craving, but I'm real. Got that Naga vibe, it's the deal. They call me Naga, I'm the beast. Flexing hard, I never cease. Haters watching, but they can't touch. Real, recognize real, no rush. Got the heart, got the drive. In this game I'm staying alive. Late 90s wisdom, I'm a hybrid, mixing cultures. Yeah, I'm a vibe kid, throwing bars like I'm Kobe. Kill the beat, you know me, Naga style, we making waves. In the end, it's love that saves. Dream big, we're gonna shine. Climbing heights, you redefine. From the roots, we lift each other hand in hand like sister, brother. Scrolling through the likes and shares, but we stay grounded, no pretenders here. Truth in our hearts, we keep it tight. Naga vibes igniting on the grind, we hustle hard. Every setback just a new card. Stacking dreams like it's our fate. Together we rise, never hesitate. Mix the old, the new wave. Voices loud, we're feeling brave. Rapping stories of love and pain. Naga unity will never wane. So here we are, making moves. In the trap we find our grooves. Culture rich, we share our pride. Stand together side by side. Naga legacy, it's in our blood. From the mountains to the city flood. With our vibe we break the mold. Gen Z Naga, fierce and bold. Gen Z Naga here. Got the fire, lead the way. So forget what you think, we rise. In this game we claim our prize.